We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Using HDMI ARC does not require a new HDMI cable. Any HDMI cable should be able to cope with the requirements. It's only when we move on to EARC this could potentially become an issue. But more on that later.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.